Tesla robot, the future is coming. Tesla CEO Elon Musk says robots will sooner or later be able to do whatever the human beings don't need to do, which is shown to be underneath improvement. The agency calls the robot Optimus, and we have already seen the prototype. A huge indicator that is something they may be committing to invest in is that they are actively searching out assistants making it. There are several process listings on Tesla's internet site for engineers, managers, architects, and more to work at the Optimus team. So unlike the Tesla phone and other ideas which have remained standards, this appears to be a task they may be surely thinking about. Before we start with the video, just make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel. Turn the bell notification on so that you'll never miss any of our crazy updates. Assuming that Tesla robot will actually be to be had in the future, there may still be no telling when that might be. Are Musk and the team behind the robot interested in bringing it to lifestyles? It looks that way, but despite the fact that they're dealing with expectancies, approximately a real launch is important. Like many businesses with grand ideas, Tesla has a history of pushing lower back release dates and making it appear to be without a doubt cool product just across the corner. One instance of that is the Tesla Snake Charger advertised in 2015, which numerous years later, Musk is still saying we will see in the future. But if it matter whatever, Musk is on a document saying he's hopeful that manufacturing for the first version of Optimus will begin in 2023. Long time period, Musk says the robot will be of greater value than the auto. It'll possibly start out as a factory product that assists inside the manufacturing line and in the end help with labor shortages, earlier than maybe at some point entering into our houses. This sounds affordable, at least for a first model, a robot meant to do something on its personal, even supposing it is a menial obligation its owners does not want to do, will glaringly convey a hefty rate tag. With variation relying on the model you pick out, we are able to see this fluctuating a piece, and we would be amazed to look at leasing options. Perhaps in much less than a decade, people will be capable to buy a robotic for their dad and mom as a birthday present. Pre-order information. It's far too soon to be talking about pre-ordering the Tesla bot. However, when that time comes, we'll provide the link right here. Tesla robot features. Elon Musk says the robotic may be pleasant and can be used to put off risky, repetitive, and dull duties. Some of the processes we give observe say the robot will automate duties for manufacturing or logistics. However, Musk has provided a second use care for home users in which it may be used to pick up groceries. We can think of some more examples. If it's utilized in an office, maybe it's going to deliver coffee from the rec room into a meeting so an assistant can work on different significant duties. Or if there are paper RAMs in storage, the Tesla robot may be liable for dispensing them to the appropriate printers. When used at domestic, it'll deal with your backyard or even your grandparents, as Musk indicates in his piece, believing in the era for a better future within the Cyberspace Administration of China's publication. Tesla bots are, to begin with, located to replace human beings in repetitive, uninteresting, and dangerous responsibilities, but the imaginative and prescient is for them to serve tens of millions of families, which includes cooking, mowing lawns, and caring for the elderly. The Tesla bot is supposed to unfasten up hard work that you do not want to do yourself. Since we have already got machines that help us do all kinds of responsibilities, suppose motors, dishwashers, forklifts, wherein it be truly successful is while AI is used. In that manner, it is able to research and apprehend what needs to be performed, after which do it for you by means of finishing the one ultimate step moves, using to the store to get something, loading the dishwasher, and so on. Off direction, quite a few of these things are sure years away. The model of Optimus seen inside the Maximum latest demo is a semi-human searching machine that can circulate manners for you while requested. Maybe one day it will be useful sufficient to fulfill you inside the storage to help you deliver all of the groceries you purchased. However, it's going to start off as an asset for manufacturing facility owners. Morgan Stanley estimates that by using 2030 to maintain up with the call, Tesla will need to rent around 500,000 employees. The Tesla robotic might be the business enterprise effort to lessen value and ramp up hard work. The combination of a difficult exertions market and a better call for workers to fulfill further boom places Tesla in a difficult situation with a high-priced marginal employee down the road. Long-time period developments in labor inflation, which include the function of hard work unions, can also be taken into consideration. Optimus ought to align very neatly with Tesla's longer-term aspirations by means of alleviating a number of these worries. Tesla's robotic usage in all likelihood might not stop at simply warehouses, factories, and homes. With Musk's hobby in humanity's future area, it wouldn't be sudden for Optimus to be pitched as an ET dweller to satisfy his dream of constructing on Mars. This fall in keeping with the Starship software, which he says is designed to increase lifestyles to Mars and the Moon. Musk says Optimus in the end may be well worth greater than the automobile enterprise and really worth extra than FSD. We wish to know extra about the makes use of the Tesla robot whilst we see the prototype. Tesla robot specs and hardware. To persuade someone to buy a human-sized robot that walks on two toes and that would theoretically chews up a person up to 150 kilos, you have to clearly sell the idea of friendliness. Musk says it's constructed so that you can run far away from it and most probable overpower it. For safety, Musk says it's essential for the robotic to have a localized chip that cannot be up to date remotely. And to be cautious to make sure it does not turn out to be a dystopian scenario, he wishes it to comply with everybody who tells it to prevent doing something its miles it is doing. The robot's max velocity is said to be 5 miles per hour and it stands 5 feet 8 inches or 173 centimeters tall, weighs 125 pounds or 57 kilos, with a 45-pound carrying capability. However, like every concept and prototype, once the specifications may change significantly. It may end up coming in multiple sizes, or maybe you may be capable of buying a custom Tesla bot which can deadlift 300 and walk 10 miles per hour. None of that has been mentioned with the aid of Tesla or Musk, but it is not out of the realm of opportunity. At AI Day 2022, a model of Optimus that's closest to what it's going to go into manufacturing was proven on stage. The Tesla bot has a display on its face that shows statistics, possibly a replacement for talking. But like a Tesla automobile, rather than eyes, there are 8 autopilot cameras it makes use of to understand its environment. Within its chest homes, the overall self-driving FSD PC powers the robot's every pass, which includes Wi-Fi and LTE. In reality, other tools utilized in Tesla motors are also utilized by this robot, which includes multicam video neural networks, neural internet planning, and automobile labeling. Musk says the same autopilot or AI group constructing tech for his or her vehicles is also working on Optimus. Some other specifications found out throughout AI Day 2022 include audio assist, hardware degree protection, a 2.3 kilowatt battery percent, and arms with 11 degrees of freedom. A human hand has 27 stages of freedom. Release date estimate. Optimus was first visible in character at AI Day 2022, but that was simply the prototype. While robotic assistance in factories is probably available in a subsequent couple of years, we're skeptical the robotic is anywhere close to prepared for your private home. Tesla robot price rumors. At AI Day 2022, Musk said its miles anticipated to value a lot much less than a car and went directly to bet probably much less than $20,000. The Tesla bot became first announced at Tesla's AI Day 2021, and the prototype, what Musk calls their difficult improvement robot, pictured under change, found on September 20 at AI Day 2022. As weird as it sounds, to have a stay-in robotic at your disposal to carry out repetitive or boring responsibilities for you, it's far an actual product the organization is operating on. Let's hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Follow us for more updates. Thanks for watching!